Okay, welcome back, children. So, degrees of comparison we are discussing now. I have written 3 more examples on the board. My first question, I'll take this as my first question, okay? See, very few Indian saints were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. Very few Indian saints were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. So, general case or special case, maybe.
Special case.
How do you say that it is a special case?
That is very
Yes, there is very few in the sentence. That's why it is a special case. Okay, may continue. So, what form? Comparative, positive, or superlative?
comparative.
Comparative. It's not comparative because you need than in the comparative form, or else more popular like. It is as popular as. Who will tell me? So which form is that? Aditya? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Which form is it? Positive, comparative, or superlative?
Positive.
Positive, because as and as you have popular in between as and as, no, that's why it is positive form. Now who will write it in comparative form? Will it be written by Aditya only? Aditya? Aditya, will you try? Okay. Ankit?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me the answer. Ankit or Aditya, who is speaking now? May I
Yes,
speak?
Mataji.
Ankit, yes. Aditya, once you
Swami
Aditya, once you mute yourself. Ankit, now you speak out.
Swami Vivekananda is popular than any other Indian saint.
Once again, Swami Vivekananda. Ankit.
Is
Okay. Mari, you have network now, Ankit.
Ajay, today there is heavy wind.
ಮರಿ ನೋಡು ನಿಮ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು ನೋಡುವ
ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ
ನಾನಿಂದ ದಿನ ಇರ್ತಾ ಹೇಳು
ಮಾತಾಜಿ
ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳು ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಾನು ದಿನಾನೂ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ ಒಂದಿನೂ ತಪ್ಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು
ಒಂದಿನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ
ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚನ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ is
popular than any other
okay
Indian saint.
Swami Vivekananda is popular than any other Indian saints. Okay. Swami Vivekananda is popular than any other Indian saints. But Ankit, observe the first sentence now and observe the answer given by you. Okay. See, first sentence, what is that? Very few Indian saints were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. What does this sentence mean, Ankit? Tell me the meaning of this sentence.
Maji in Kannada. In Kannada, Mataji.
Oh yeah, in Kannada. You tell me the meaning in Kannada.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಭಾರತದ
very few saints of India are as popular as Swami Vivekananda. ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Who will tell me the meaning of this sentence? Yes, Vaishnavi are in there?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you tell me the meaning of this sentence, Marie?
Swami Vivekananda is popular than any other Indian saints.
No, first sentence. Very few Indian saints were as popular as Swami Vivekananda.
Mataji, in Kannada, right?
Yeah, in Kannada. You tell me the meaning of the sentence in Kannada.
ಭಾರತದ ಹಲವಾರು ಭಾರತದ ಹಲವಾರು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Exactly, very few. ಕೆಲವು, not ಹಲವಾರು, ಕೆಲವು. ಕೆಲವು saints of India. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ saint, famous. What mistake Ankit has done here? He is telling that Swami Vivekananda is popular than any other Indian saint he has told. No. That means what? Swami Vivekananda ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ Ankit. So now there is means change came in the meaning of the sentence, right? Nidini, what happened to video? Yes. Okay. See here. So very few. It is a special case. It is not general case. And also Ankit changed the tense of the sentence. See here. So here you have word and Ankit has made it is. Ankit.
Yes, sir.
See you. What mistake you have done here? So Swami Vivekananda, you cannot use is here. You have to use was, because see in the first sentence you have were. That means past tense form, right? So Swami Vivekananda was popular than. You cannot use any here, many, because there were many Indian saints who were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. There were few Indian saints like Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Okay, they were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. That's why Swami Vivekananda was popular than many other Indian saints. Many saints. Okay, now who will write it in superlative form? Yes, Nidini.
Swami Vivekananda was most popular.
Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was, yes,
most popular Indian saint.
Swami Vivekananda was most popular Indian saint, Medini told, but one mistake is left out there in the second sentence. So here you have to add more. See, Swami Vivekananda was more popular than many other Indian saints. Now, what is the mistake done by Nidini? Who will find it out and who will explain? Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi?
He did not use one of the.
Swami Vivekananda was, yes. What should be added here? One of the. ಹೌದಾ? One of the ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೇಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಒಬ್ರು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can very well identify which case it is, special case or general case. ಹೌದಾ? One of the most popular Indian saints. So was more popular than many other Indian saints, and very few Indian saints were as popular as Swami Vivekananda. Okay, now I'll take this example. Okay, we'll try this example. Reena is smarter than any other student of her class. Yes, Dhanya? Which case is this?
Mataji,
Which case is this? General?
it is a general case.
General case. How can you say that this is general case?
Mataji, that is than any other.
Exactly, you have any other, right? So, Reena is smarter than ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಅವಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಷಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಅವಳ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆಯ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರೇಟಿವ್? Yes, it is in comparative form. Purnachandra, why is it in comparative form?
Yes, Mataji.
Why is it in comparative form? How can you say that it is in comparative form?
Than any other.
Exactly, you have than any other. Purnachandra, can you put it in positive form?
Maji, can I take 2 minutes?
Yeah, you can take, everybody take 2 minutes. 1 minute time, not 2 minutes. Write in positive form and comparative form. So already I have given it in comparative form. Write in positive and superlative form in your rough book. Work out fast. Yes, Purnachand, is your answer ready now?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
No other students as smart as Reena in the class.
No other student
As smart
as smart as
Reena
Reena
in
in
the
the
class.
Reena in the class. Purnachandra, you have made a small mistake. Let me check whether Pranav can correct you. Pranav, can you correct Purnachandra?
No
Yes.
other student,
No other?
no other student of the class is as smart as Reena.
No other student. Okay, he has written no other student as smart as Reena in the class.
No other student of the class is as smart
Yes,
as
no other student of the class you can take. Otherwise, no other student is, he has missed is, no, is as smart as Reena in the class. Okay, so here of the class is there, of her class is there, that we have to observe. That's why instead of writing in the class, we will write like this. No other student of the class is, okay, of her class. Of her class is as smart as Reena. No other student of her class is as smart as Reena. Now your answer became correct. Okay. Now who will write it in superlative form? Yes, I have Anushri Mangalakatti. Anushri?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. How will you write it in superlative form?
Reena is the smartest student of her class.
Reena is the
Smartest,
Reena is the
smartest student
smartest student. Next,
of her class.
exactly, of her class. One of okay. Reena is the smartest student of her class is the correct answer now. Any doubt, children? Shall we move on for the next question? Yes, do you have any doubt? You have kept your hands raised. See, Pranav, yes, Aryan, okay. Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi, do you have any doubt there? Tanvi? Yes, no doubt. What about, yeah, Tanvi, do you have any doubt? Yes, no doubt, no? Then let us solve one more example. That is, America is one of the richest nations of the world. America is one of the richest nations of the world. Who will identify general case or special case? One of the Medini, general or special? Special. Hoda. Andre, there are many nations in the world, or there are few nations in the world. Rich nations they are. America is one among them. Hoda. Sumar desha idave. Adralli America ಒಂದು. Yes. Now, this is in which form, Medini? Comparative, superlative, positive. Yes, it is in superlative form because you have one of the richest. Okay. Now, let us write it in comparative form. Yes, then we will do that. Tanvi. Tanvi, can I wait for you? Okay, otherwise, let me give chance to Ankit again. Let us see.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
Very few.
You are writing it in which form now? Comparative or positive?
Positive.
Positive, okay. You are writing it in positive form. Okay, tell me now.
Very few nations of the world
Very
are
few nations of the world.
are
Okay,
as rich as America.
exactly. As rich as America. Your answer is correct now. Very few nations of the world are as rich as America. Now, who will write it in superlative form? Yes, Shri Krishna. Today Shri Krishna did not speak at all. Now let us see what Shri Krishna can do.
Yes, Mataji.
Can you write it in superlative form?
America is
America is ಸರಿ ಉಂಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ superlative ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಸಾರಿ America is one of the richest. It is in superlative form. You have to put it in comparative form. Comparative ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಾ
America is richer than
richer than yes most other yes
most other nations of the world.
Yes, very correct. Okay, you can use many other or else you can use most other. America is richer than most other nations of the world. That is correct answer. Okay. So now children, there are two more things to be explained here. The time is 1:46 now. So in Monday's period, let us solve a few more examples and let me clarify two more concepts here. Okay, as it is 1:45 already, let us end the class here. Is that okay? Thank you very much. Complete writing the question and answers of the poem Tiger. Okay, thank you.